Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. We are Team Buet GRC. We are bringing you Builder, an all-in-one application for engineers. Builder is an application that is a plugin based system. Since it is an all-in-one application, each user will have different use cases, and for that they can use installable plugins, and they can install their plugins and whichever plugins they need. They don't need to install everything. So the basic idea of our project is that we want to help our users learn, showcase, monetize, as well as get jobs from our platform. Now let's see how they will do this. For learning phase, we have developed an AI chatbot which is based on custom trained AI bots from different subjects. For example, for EEE we have a different fine-tuned AI model. For CSE we have a different fine-tuned model, and so on. We also have a notes application that supports Markdown and is going to be used for taking notes. We have a text summarizer that summarizes long text for you so that you can understand certain topics better. We have a paraphraser tool that helps you write better notes. We also have video call system so that you can have meetings with your friends and even have classes taken on our platform. We have implemented this using Jitsi API. Now moving on to the next part, showcasing with Builder. For showcasing, you can create posts with us. You can use our image generator AI, which is based on stable diffusion, and generate amazing images using the power of AI. You can motivate others by showcasing your public projects to the world. In our social page, you can showcase your project so that other people can see it and get motivated for their own projects. We also have implemented paraphraser tool in our post creation section, so that even if you can't write something in better words, our AI will do it for you. The next step is monetizing with Builder. For monetizing, you can place your engineering projects into the marketplace, and if other people like it, they can buy it. You can even track your orders right from our site. The next step is getting jobs. For getting jobs, Builder is going to help you by giving you auto-generated portfolios. So once you update your projects, once you collect your notes, our Builder API will generate automatic portfolios which will showcase your projects as well as your public notes as blogs so that you can get jobs better.
Page of our website. In this page, you can see the basic information about our platform. As you can see, we can switch between light and dark modes and even between languages. If you click on this button, our whole website is going to be in Bengali. We can click it again and our website becomes English again. Now let's move on to the dashboard page. In this dashboard page, you can see that there are no current plugins installed. So first, we are going to do our first step, which is to learn some things. For that, we have to add some plugins. Now let's go on to adding some plugins. So we will click on add plugin. I'm a student of CSE, so I can see a plugin called CSE Builder Chatbot. So I will add this plugin to my system. I can also see a text paraphraser plugin. I will also add it because I will need it later on. I can see a text summarization plugin. This can help me understand paragraphs from my book easily, so I will add it also. I can see an image generator plugin. I may need it later if I'm creating some images, so I will add this as well. I can see a notes plugin, which is very important for me if I'm learning some things. I will add it also. I will also add my video call plugin because I may need to call my friends at different times. I will also use my drone view plugin as well. So when I first go into the website, I am installing the plugins that I need. This ensures that each user can get a customized service. Now, if you go to the dashboard, we can see all the plugins that we have installed, and they are shown here. So first, let's see our chatbot. So we will click on the chatbot button, and as you can see, this is running. This is basically deploying the chatbot for us. In the Builder CSE chatbot, our model has been trained with all the books from our courses. Currently, we have trained using 20 books. If we ask it any questions, it is going to answer that from those books. For example, if I ask him, what is a blockchain? What is a blockchain? Now let's see what it answers. As you can see, it will show you that it is running its system. It will also show you that it is loading your answer. You can see your prompt here as well. Now let's wait for a few seconds. Normally, since we don't have any CUDA, our device is running on an M2 device. This is going to take up to 20 seconds to generate a basic answer. Our answer will contain a LLM answer as well as the location from where it derived that answer from. Currently, we have set it to return two locations and search their answers from two locations. So as we are waiting, after we're done waiting, the answer will be generated. So let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it is first giving me an answer that a blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger and blah blah blah, whatever answer it is. Now the most important part, it shows you from which book it got that answer from. This is a research paper that I had added in that folder, so it shows me that it got this answer from page number 0 out of 12 and from page number 2 out of 12. It also shows a part of the text that it got that answer from. So in this way, you can ask questions from your book. So normal search engines will give you answer from all over the internet, but our chatbot will give you answer from your textbooks. This is better for a student. Now in this way, I can learn a lot of things. So I have learned about blockchain. So I will copy this text and now I want to create a node. So I will go to my dashboard again, and now you can see there is a notes plugin. I will get into this notes plugin and I will create a note. We are now in our node editor. Let's call it blockchain. Let's give it a subtitle. We are talking about blockchain. I will not give it any image or tag name for now. I will make this note public so that other people can see it. Now I can make my editor full screen and write my notes here. So this is the markdown view and this is what our users will actually see. So I will copy paste my answer here and I will save this note. As you can see that this note has been saved. I can edit it further here and save it as well. So now I'm done taking a note. Now let's go on to the next step. Next step maybe I may want to summarize whatever I have found here. So I will go to my summarization tool and I will paste my text here. So this is a very long paragraph. So let's see how our generative AI works. For this, we have used a model developed by Buet CSE department, and we use this model from Hugging Face. We have created a Flask API, and that API gives us answer. As you can see, this was a very long text, very long paragraph, and our summarizer has summarized it in only just a few words. So we can understand a very big paragraph in just a few words using our summarization tool. After that, we may also go to our paraphraser tool. So paraphraser tool, I can paste that text again and I can generate text. Now this will create a paraphrased version of our text. Currently we have set it to return 3 paraphrased text. So as you can see, there are 3 paraphrased text generated. I can copy it and use it later on in different places as well. Now we can even go to the video plugin. We can create a call, join a call, or even join a podcast. Creating a call is very simple. Just create a room ID. So we will create this is my room. I will set a room password test and my current display name will be Salman. So I will submit this. Not now. So I will allow my microphone and camera. Okay, so as you can see, I can join this meeting and I can even share this link with my friends for them to join. In this way, we have completed learning. We have chatted with our books. We have summarized our learnings. We have paraphrased whatever we've learned to create better notes. And we also have created a meeting website for our users to interact in the same view. As you can see, in the same platform, our user is getting everything that they need to learn. Okay, now we're done with the learning. Now let's move on to the next part, showcasing your projects. For this, we will go to the create page. Before that, we can go to the socials page and see posts from other users that they have created and get motivation from it. For example, I can see a post that has been made by me, so I can delete this post as well. But all the posts made by other users will be shown here. As you can see, this is tagged IoT. So if I can select tags from here as well. Whichever tag I select, post from that will be returned. For example, if I select 3D modeling, there are no posts available, so post is gone. That project that we had seen before had IoT in it. So if we select IoT, we can see this here again. We can click on a profile to see the user's portfolio. We will not do that. We will click on more to see this post in detail. As you can see, this post looks pretty amazing. First, you can see the title, then you can see the subtitle. This is a cover photo of this post. You can also see the paragraphs that has been added, the images that have been added, and even code blocks are integrated into these posts. So now that we are motivated to create something, let's see if we create something, how we can showcase it. So now we will showcase our own project. For that, we will go to the create page. When you go to the create page, you see some fixed available tags. You can choose certain tags that you have used to develop your application from here. So for example, this year we have created this project builder. So we will create a post for this. So our project title will be builder. Our project subtitle will be, let's copy from here. So this will be our subtitle, and backdrop is basically the cover image that you're going to use. So I have already uploaded this into a link, and I will just paste it. So this is the link, image link that I have generated previously. So I will paste it here. Now I need a text block. Let's call this introduction. So this is the block. Now let's copy paste a paragraph from our demonstration. So I have pasted this paragraph. I'll make this a little bigger for you to understand better. Now you can see we can either save this block or paraphrase our content. So if we click on paraphrase, as you can see, it will say it is loading text. This uses the same paraphrasing API that we have developed previously and will generate 3 different paragraphs. So if we don't like our paragraph, or if we want something that is better, we can copy from here and paste it here. Copy from here and paste it here. Now we can save this block. As you can see, this block is shown here. We can delete it if we want. No, we want to add some few more blocks. So I will create a block title called images. So this will be shown in our post as well. So here we will paste in our other images as well. So the images that we paste in later have to be comma separated. So you can put multiple image blocks at once. I will comma separate my posts, and now I will save this block. You can see a preview of this block as well in here. Now let's see, let's assume that we want to add a code block. We can do that as well. For example, let's add a Python code. We will say print hello world. We can paste whatever we want. We can select any language. Currently we have 4 language supports, so we can save this block as well. And you can see a preview here. You can delete any block before creating the post. Now we will create this project. So now this post has been uploaded. So let's see if we can see it. Since we had added this to marketplace and added this to social as well, we will be able to see this in our marketplace and in our social page as well. So let's go to the social page and see if we have added it or not. Here, as you can see, our post has been added, and this has been added by us. So now we can go to more and see this project just as we edited it as well. Now we have showcased our project to the world. Let's move on to the monetization part. For that, we have created a different website called Builder Marketplace. Builder Marketplace is a website that is dedicated for our users. You can go to the website and you will be welcomed with all the engineering projects in Bangladesh. You can go to the shop page and see the items that have been listed in the marketplace. So both these products had been listed as available on the marketplace, so these are available in our marketplace. We can select a quantity. The price is not set, so it is saying to be decided, and we can add it. We can now go to the cart and see that we have builder added to our system, and we have counted 2. So now we will order this. It will prompt us if we want to order or not. Yes, we want to order it. Now our order has been completed. So now if we go to our marketplace website, you'll be able to see that someone from Dhanmondi has ordered this product. You can see the order details here. This is the detail of the user that has ordered it and the time of the order. As you can see, the status is currently pending. We can ship this order to change the order status. So I will ship this order, and if we come back to this page again, okay, so that shipment hadn't been completed. So we will ship this order. We can also see notes that have been added by users as well. can ship this order, come back to this page again, and it should be showing shipping. Okay, we will get back to this later. For some reason this isn't working. So as you can see, our users were able to monetize their products as well. So this was the third step of our project. Now let's come on to the fourth step. In the profile page, you can see your basic description, and you can even edit your information. For example, if I want myself to be a passionate student, I can edit my information here. I'm sorry, passionate student. I can now update my account, and that update will be shown in my profile as well. Passionate student. Okay. So now as you can see, this shows all my basic informations, and this is a builder generated portfolio that our builder app has generated. We can also see our projects. We can see the social post as well as the marketplace right from here. Now if we go to one of our posts, let's see how others will see our profile. Others can just click on our name and they will be redirected to our website. So this is the custom generated website that our platform has made. This shows your avatar, your name, your bio. Then it helps others connect to your socials as well. These socials are the same as what have been set by you in this profile. You can also see the projects that you have made here. As you can see, this shows me the projects that I have made. We can also see our blogs. Our blog didn't have any image, so this isn't showing any images, but we can view a blog. This is basically the form of the blog that you're going to see. You can also see the blogs in list view as well. And this is how we have generated a custom portfolio for our users. Our users can share this portfolio with their employers and get acquainted. So to summarize, Builder is a plugin based all-in-one application for engineering students where they can install whatever plugin they need and use our platform for their own use cases. We have used the power of AI with LLM models, with paraphrasers, with summarizers, and with image generators. So we didn't see the image generator part. Now let's see the image generator part. So for that, you will go to the plugin and we will create a prompt. So for example, let's see, I want to create a car. Let's see, I want to generate an image of a Ferrari. This is basically dedicated for users so that they can use these images to create posts, to create blogs, and to create amazing notes. So we are going to set our models, and if we click on generate, it's going to generate our image. So we have clicked on Ferrari, and this is generating our Ferrari. All the AI models that we have used are running locally. Currently, we have this running on this terminal. You can see the status of the image generation in the terminal as well. We couldn't make this available in the production because the computation power that we would need would cost us a lot of money, so we wouldn't be able to do that. So that is why we haven't. As you can see, the image is being generated and it is almost 65% done. A preview is being shown here. So we can just wait for a few more seconds and this image will be generated. So here the image has been generated. You can click on this image, you can copy this image, you can paste it to any image uploading media. For example, I will paste it to post images. I can now use it to create a blog. It's as simple as that. I will copy the direct link. I will go to my plugins, notes plugin. Let me create a new note. I will go and create a new note called Ferrari, and my image will be this one, my dream car. Okay, so let's not have anything in there, and let's not make this note public. Okay, this is my private note. So I will save this, and now I can get back to my notes plugin and I can view my notes. As you can see, I can view my Ferrari note here, and that image, AI generated image, is being used for our post, for our blog. So this way our image generator AI plugin can also be used for generating amazing notes. You can also see the list view of this post as well. We can delete a post if we want. For example, let me delete this post. So I have deleted that post. So now only this post or this note is in my account. So in this way, our user was able to do all this. So to summarize in this year's TheraP Java Fest, we have integrated the power of API, power of AI, and integrated it using our API tools to generate an amazing website that is an all-in-one platform for engineering students. Thank you for listening.